you can ask your child to put all the colors in their respective pockets. Activity is called the alphabet fun. So for this activity, instead of colors, I have made pockets and I have written name of letters like this. So you can see, for this activity, make few flashcards with the help of ice cream sticks like this. I have made few objects for letter P and R, mix them together like this and ask your child to sort according to the alphabet. So for P, you will put parrot like this, and for R, I can put rainbow in letter R. This is potato, so I'll put in P. This is rose, so I will put in R. Now this is an excellent activity not only for the child but for the teachers as well. You can teach children all the different alphabets by making different letter on different sheets and the respective objects like this. This is another activity called number jumble. As you can see, for this activity I have written few numbers on a sheet of paper and I have taken few ice cream sticks and have written the same number on this ice cream sticks. Now on the paper I have made a cut like this so that an ice cream stick can go inside the paper like this. So this is a kind of matching activity for the child. Don't write the numbers in sequence, write the numbers in any other order so that the child can learn the number matching. And so you can see one will go here. Now I will put 7 like this. Number 4 like this, and then let us take number 5 like this. So this is a kind of matching activity which your child can play and learn the numbers in a very playful manner. Hope you have enjoyed all the activities and will subscribe, like and forward my channel for more loving and fun activities. Thank you.